Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Good old coffee. Guys, the time of this recording is Thursday, December 23rd, 1:20 p.m. California time. Guys, if you like the fact that, hey, we were able to predict that there was a possibility that we were going to reach 52,000, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. Let's say we don't break above this, we'll probably get rejected at 70, but if we don't, we could actually see a retest of 51,000. Guys, today we're going to talk about exactly that. We're going to go over what we thought would happen and how it's kind of playing out. So guys, let's go over that right now. If you think that sounds interesting, stick around for the following part of the video. So we're going to analyze what can happen next on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Alrighty, so right now, guys, we are at Bitcoin at 50,700. Obviously, there was a huge pump this morning, guys. Like, I mean, it was massive. Like, I mean, guys, it was huge. Like, it was, honestly, guys, I've almost never seen a pump this big from coming out of nowhere on Bitcoin, guys. It was like, for us to reach this, I mean, this is already overbought here, guys. This is overbought. Now, for us to go almost to the 100 line on the RSI, that's pretty freaking crazy, guys. That's on the 15-minute. 5-minute, guys. Almost to the 100, guys. That's insane. So what happened? I mean, I've been reading articles that whales are taking crypto off exchanges, and somebody just took $100 million off of an exchange on Coinbase, and that could be the cause that somebody's saying, hey, look, I think that Bitcoin is going to stable off at these prices. I'm going to take it off the exchanges and hodl. And that's probably why people are getting the confidence to think that we've maybe hit the bottom, or we've seen the bottom. So let's see what happens next, guys. So right now on the 1 hourly, it looks like, you know, can we sustain what is going on? No, I mean, really not. We're going to have to see a retest, because right here, we're already completely overbought. I mean, this is eventually going to have to come down here. So we're going to see what price that would bring us to when we get the retest, guys. So I think the retest at minimum should probably bring us back to 48,000 on the 1 hourly. And on the retest on the 4 hourly, maybe in 47,000. At which point, once we start to see red coming in and a retest, I will probably rebuy that dip, because it seems likelier than not that maybe $42,000 wick was the bottom for now. Is that, you know, look, I've come out and said that I thought we could go back to 40,000. We've gotten this print right here on the MACD, what says that says we could see more bearish momentum. But I'm also a realist person who says, look, when the data changes, the information changes, my opinion is going to change. I'm not going to sit here and just say, look, my opinion, I'm gonna stick to it no matter what happens. No, guys. A good trader changes his opinion as the charts are moving, guys. I couldn't have predicted whales taking hundreds of millions of dollars off exchanges, so that's why people are starting to get bullish. I couldn't have seen that. My charts couldn't have seen that. So let's evolve with things as they change. So we'll see. I mean, it's kind of hard to say right now, but maybe that $42,000 wick here was the bottom. I mean, this wick could have been the bottom. I mean, this would have came right down to the 78.6 Fibonacci. So, I mean, you know, for now, guys, I think that there is a possibility for the next couple hours for us to just kind of maybe retest 51,000, 52,000, and then eventually come back for a retest. Because obviously, yes, we're pumping, but obviously we're already at the top. So if you're not in the move, you've probably missed the move. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you it's not going to pump more. I'm just saying that the meat of the move has already happened. As CryptoFace said it, the meat of the move has already happened. So I'm personally obviously not getting into a trade right now. I'm probably going to buy the dip for the longer term. So start buying some of that dip on the longer term time frame. So for right now, guys, it seems like, you know, we may be getting a retest eventually at 48,000, maybe in 47,000 at least, because we're probably gonna have to retest 47,000 for sure. 48, and then maybe in 47. At which point I would definitely start buying, most likely. Ethereum, guys. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, little throat situation going on this morning. Ethereum is the same thing. We got a pretty decent pump. Ethereum has been super resilient, and it's just been maintaining super strong, guys. I mean, it seems like 3700 was, or 3600 was kind of like the bottom, and that was really just the wick. So for now, obviously the 2-day chart's getting some little bullish flags here. This is good. I mean, this is good for the 2-day chart. So I mean, looks like we may be seeing some pumpiness, guys, coming for the next couple of days. I really hope that we get a retest so I can buy a little bit lower, and then just keep moving up from there. But overall, guys, it looks like maybe we've seen the worst of it for now. Once again, not financial advice, but let's see what happens, guys. Obviously, at the 4-hourly, we're gonna have to see a retest of some of these major supports, which will probably be at 3,900 to 4,000, and could be even low as 3,800, because eventually this is gonna turn into red. We're gonna need to come down and see where we end up then, and that's probably when I'll start buying. We're at the 200-day, right on the 200-day moving average, basically, and obviously that's usually resistance. Right here, it was resistance, and we came back down. We had a pump, and then we came back down. Any major moving average is going to act as support or resistance. So obviously I would think that in this case it might act as resistance, and then maybe we'll see where the support lands. It could be 3,900, it could be even 3,800. Alrighty, guys, thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.